Hi everybody, it's Lindsay from the House of PMO. We're here at the house and we've got a special box. We have got some mystery boxes in our shop, and you can go and have a look at the shop whenever you like, but we've had requests dying to know what is actually inside these things, so we thought we'd give you a little demo. So as you can see, it comes from the House of PMO with its lovely labelling. You know, I'm sure you'll be all aware of our Love PMO stuff, which we absolutely adore. So this special box is actually a team box. It's the largest one we do, and there are smaller ones available, but we thought we'd do a little bit of a reveal and show you what's actually in it. So with our trusty on-brand scissors, I'm going to open the box. Incredibly exciting, and as I said, you'll be able to find these in our shop, and they're designed to be for you and your team members. So if you're looking to gift something to your team, or you know, go and have a look, and I'll show you exactly what's in these. So this is a team box, and you can see it's brimming with stuff. There you go, you see that? Yeah, that's lovely. So we have got in here, these are the things that people really love. I love these. I use it every single day because it keeps my tea very warm, and so you've basically got 4 of these. So these are for one for each one of your team members. So and you can obviously show off around the office or at home on Zoom calls. You'll be able to use those and show your love for PMO and show everybody else who works with you, you know, exactly what it is you do for a living. What else have we got? So for team members, we've also got the highly coveted Love PMO notebooks, which many of you might be familiar with if you've been to any of our conferences. So you will get 4 of these for, again, people in the team, with pen. So that's for jotting down all your important PMO work. And again, you'll be able to see that it's slightly embossed with a House of PMO and of course the I Love PMO logo. And in this particular box, we've got come in white and black. We've got a white and a black one. So there you go. So we get 4 of those, so you to be able to make notes and stuff. What else have we got? We have got I've got some lovely coasters, obviously, to go with your cups. So you've got actually 5 of those in this box, so you'll be able to gift one of those to somebody else in your team. We've got a selection of our wonderful stickers. Now these things are always go down really well. So you can see we've got some about the House of PMO. We've got the Love PMO. This is a latest one we had from Scotland. So if you know any Scottish people, we've got those in there as well. We've got the small I Love PMO ones. We've got ones with the UK flag, so the Great Union Jack on there. We've got the new one, which is a graffiti type thing, which is I Love PMO on there. You can see that one. So you've got lots of stickers, so you've got more stickers than you know what to do with, and of course we've got them all over our laptops and things like that. But, so you know, it's again just to show people just how much you love PMO. So your team will be geared up, or you can just go and stick them around the office or on lampposts or anything that you want to do, show your love for PMO. And then we've got in here also we've got 4 of the House of PMO lovely mint dispensers. PMO people with nice fresh breath, that's what we like. And then we've also got 4 of the I Love PMO and House of PMO key rings. Again, they're pretty cool because they're quite big, and if you're trying to find your keys in a bag, they're brilliant. It's quite large. We've also got some information about House of PMO, so if there's somebody who's not aware of us, you could drop that onto their desk. You know, there's a little bit more about what's available from House of PMO, including things like the competency framework and the qualifications and the different events we do. And what we've also got in here is a really brilliant limited offer for the 4 tickets that essentially give you 50% off the PMO conference, which will be happening in London and also in Edinburgh in 2023. So it's a really brilliant thing to get your hands on. There is a limited offer on this one, so if you're really interested, you need to get your hands on one of these boxes pretty sharpish. So those are the also got the vouchers in here. And then finally we've got the coveted bags, the PMO, the I Love PMO bags, which you know, if you're not a shopper, I tell you what, these do look really great when you're back in the office. If you just pop it on the back of your chair, you know, people can see obviously that they're in the PMO space. And we've got 4 bags there, including some of them which have got the red banding as well. So so those are the 4 bags that come with it. So essentially for this team box, it's the largest box that we do. It contains 4 things for everybody. So if you've got a team of 4, perfect. Larger teams, we've got boxes here ready and waiting for you. Prices are, and you'll find a little bit more out on the website, but currently the prices are £15 plus shipping for this team box, which contains 4. Or if you're just wanting to buy something for you as an individual, we do individual boxes which are £8 plus shipping. So please go and have a look at the website. It's all in the shop, and why not get your PMO team box today? So there you go, mystery box revealed. Thank you.